In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if your ClickUp notifications are not working and how to fix them step by checking the correct notification settings. This is one of the most common issues ClickUp users face, especially when working with teams, multiple spaces, or using ClickUp across desktop and mobile. If you're missing task updates, comments, mentions, or reminders, this guide will walk you through everything you need to verify so you stop missing important updates. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, open ClickUp and log into your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar. This opens your personal account settings, which is where most notification problems start. From the menu, click on Settings and then select Notifications. This is the most important section to review. At the top, you'll see your notification delivery methods, such as in-app, email, and mobile push notifications. Make sure the notification types you want are actually enabled. For example, if you want to receive alerts when someone assigns you a task or leaves a comment, confirm those toggles are turned on. Scroll down and carefully review each notification category. ClickUp allows very granular control, which is great, but it also means notifications can easily be disabled without you realizing it. Check task activity notifications, mentions, status changes, and due date reminders. If any of these are turned off, ClickUp will not notify you, even if the task is assigned to you. Next, pay close attention to workspace-level notification settings. If you're part of multiple workspaces, ClickUp lets you customize notifications for each one. Make sure you're checking the correct workspace, especially if notifications are working in one workspace but not another. Now, if you're using ClickUp on mobile, this step is critical. Open the ClickUp mobile app, go to Settings, and confirm that mobile notifications are enabled inside the app. Then, go to your phone system settings and make sure notifications are allowed for ClickUp at the operating system level. On both iOS and Android, notifications can be blocked by the phone even if ClickUp settings are correct. For desktop users, check whether you're using the ClickUp desktop app or the browser version. If you're using a browser, make sure notification permissions are allowed in the browser itself. For example, in Chrome, check site settings and ensure notifications are not blocked for ClickUp. Also confirm that Do Not Disturb or Focus modes are not enabled on your computer, as these can silence notifications without any warning. Another common issue is task-specific notification settings. Open a task that you're expecting notifications from and make sure you are actually watching or assigned to the task. If you're not assigned or not a watcher, ClickUp may not notify you about updates. Once you've reviewed and corrected all these settings, give ClickUp a few minutes and then test by assigning yourself a task or leaving a comment from another account if possible. You should now start receiving notifications as expected. If this video helped you fix ClickUp notifications not working, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.